how to make a caramel biscuit ring.
Alright, today we are going to make a caramel biscuit ring as part of our unit on microwave cooking. To make this recipe, it's a very simple recipe, we are going to need some margarine, some cinnamon, a can of pre-made biscuits, some brown sugar, and some water. So we will start by making the sauce. This is a very simple sauce. It requires a 1/4 cup margarine or half a cube. So we will come over here and throw this into have on here is half a cup brown sugar. So you want to pack your brown sugar into your measuring cup. When you've got 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, you will throw that in there. It also requires a half a teaspoon cinnamon, you have 1 tablespoon water. We will microwave this mixture on high for 1.5 minutes so everything's melted together. Stir it up, and then we will add in our pieces of bread. We're going to microwave this on high for 1.5 minutes. Alright, we will take out our mixture, stir it once more. You can see it's melted together here to make a caramel type sauce. You can get any kind of biscuits you want, and it's just one of these small cans. Here. Now we're going to take these individual biscuits and cut them into 4ths. So, really easy. Cut it in half. Cut it in half again. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. Perfect. So, we will end having all of our little biscuit pieces, which we will add into our melted caramel mixture. Caramel sauce. So now, as you can see, all of our pieces have been coated. Now, we want these pieces to cook evenly, and one of the tricks for doing that in a glass dish is to put a glass cup in the center. So, this will also help us with our ring shape, as it is our caramel biscuit ring. Now we are going to throw this in the microwave for another 3 minutes on high. Alright, so we will pull out our caramel biscuit ring. So we will pull out our glass from the center here. Now as you can see, a lot of our caramel sauce is down at the bottom. But this really isn't a problem at all because as part of our caramel ring, you're going to put this plate on top. I'm going to drop it. Yay! Glass container. And we have our yummy, tasty caramel biscuit ring. And as you can see, the sauce is actually going to settle in among the pieces. So at this point, all you have to do is wait for it to cool, right? And enjoy.